This is an unusual case, and that's why I think that the enhancements apply here. We also had a very serious violent crime involving a firearm, and so I think that meets her criteria.
Now at 5, a battle over public safety and justice between the chief of police in one Bay Area city and a district attorney being criticized for her policies. Livermore's police chief is asking the Alameda County DA to enhance charges on a convicted felon who, while still on parole, allegedly committed 2 more armed and violent crimes. Good evening, everyone. I'm Mike Meebeck.
And I'm Julie Hayner. KTVU's Tom Baker joins us now from the newsroom with the details. Tom.
Well, the DA says what she is doing is legal and it's fair. What say you?
This was a violent crime.
Livermore Police Chief Jeremy Young wants Alameda County District Attorney Pamela Price to enhance criminal charges against convicted felon 21-year-old Colby Berry.
He had a prior violent offense using a firearm, and this is the second one.
Police say Berry is charged with using a gun to rob 2 women, wounding 1, in Livermore last May in public while on parole from a previous shooting conviction just last year.
One of the enhancements I asked for was a career criminal enhancement, which does take into account prior violent felonies involving a firearm, and so this being the second one, there can be an enhancement added for that.
Price has not and apparently will not enhance.
I just really hope that she'll reconsider and take a look at the facts of the case.
As of now, Berry faces a maximum sentence of 13 years, but could be out much sooner for good behavior and time served. But, get this, the chief says Berry's case is now headed for the so-called diversion court at the request of his defense lawyer.
I just know that custody would be out of the question, as far as I know, and then also probably the sentencing or the conviction on his record. So I think those are off the table.
The district attorney did not respond to that when I asked. She previously released a canned video statement not subject to reporter questioning and clarifications.
While there may be some people who disagree with our evaluation of the evidence, our analysis of the facts of a case, or our decisions, they are ours to make.
She went on to say the data shows enhancements overwhelmingly lengthen sentences against black defendants.
Unless there are extraordinary circumstances involving harm to vulnerable victims or extreme acts of violence.
This is really egregious. I think it meets her qualifications as far as when she said she would apply enhancements.
On Tuesday, Price issued a statement that says if we followed the chief's advice, we would be adding 50 years to life to his sentence. Again, the DA's statement made no comment on the diversion court. Tom Baker, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, Tom, so what are you hearing? What are the chances that he could be sent to a diversion court?
Well, that application has been made, and apparently it's granted. And the idea of a diversion court, so you know, is that so another court can evaluate whether or not this person has mental disabilities or is so compromised by those mental disabilities that a criminal trial with criminal penalties wouldn't be done. But that's just one way to go. And again, this guy's got 2 sets of these crimes to his credit or to his discredit. And so we'll just have to see what happens. But this is yet another controversy that the Alameda County DA is facing.
All right, Tom Baker reporting live for us tonight. Tom, thank you.
The city of